A plane is a tool used for finishing by smoothing the wood surface after it has been processed with a saw or a chisel. Various planes are used depending on the shape of the objects to be smoothed. In a large building, it is necessary to smooth flat surfaces, curved surfaces, and corners of pillars, and grooves of fusuma doors. Therefore, the types of planes increase accordingly. A smoothing plane is a plane used to refine a flat surface. Please see this model. There are two boards here. When shaping a flat surface, Japanese carpenters always use planes in 3 stages. This board has a roughly smooth surface. Next is the middle smoothing, and finally, the finishing smoothing is performed. This board has a finished surface. Both of these boards look the same at first glance, but you can feel the difference upon touching them. This board has a slightly rough surface, but that board has a smooth and glossy surface. By the way, it is said that a good carpenter can finish the surface to such a degree of precision that when that surface is attached to another surface after soaking it in the water, they form a vacuum and do not separate. Next is the Kanawa joint model. This is a plane called a shoulder plane. The blade is stuck at a slant to smooth the edge part. There are cases where the right edge is smooth and the left edge is smooth. So some blades are stuck to the left and some are stuck to the right. Various types of planes are on display here. Here are various planes used to create grooves and sills and lintels of fusuma doors. Here, planes for smoothing curved surfaces are displayed. A plane for smoothing curved surfaces is commonly called a round plane or Maruganna. There are 2 types of round planes. A plane for smoothing a convex curved surface of a round pillar, and a plane for smoothing a concave curved surface. This is a round plane for smoothing a concave curved surface, which is called Sotomaruganna. A round plane for smoothing a convex curved surface is called Uchimaruganna. As you can see, the lower part of the plane sole is also rounded. Of course, in order to smooth the material into a round shape, the blade edge must also be rounded. The shape of the blade is also rounded. Since the round curved surface differs depending on the building, carpenters prepare some round planes suitable for each building according to the site. Planes have been known as tools with many detailed requirements since old times. 3 conditions must be met in order for planes to shape the surface smoothly. The first is the sharpening of the blade. If this is not done properly, the plane will not cut well. The second is the installation angle between the sole and the blade. The important things are how the blade should be inserted into the sole and how the blade angle should be adjusted. The third is the adjustment of the sole of the plane. For adjustment of the sole, a winding stick and a sole smoothing plane are used. First, the condition of the plane is checked using a winding stick, and then the sole of the plane is smoothed with a sole smoothing plane. While the blade of other planes is installed diagonally in the sole, only the blade of the sole smoothing plane is installed at almost a right angle to the sole. In addition, The installation angle of the plane blade is made steeper for smoothing harder wood. Hard oak wood is often used because the plane sole tends to wear down due to friction. There is a well-worn plane on the right side. Originally, its thickness was about the same as that of the plane on the left side, but you can see that it has been used and worn out.